Okay, so these are some miscellaneous type of problems, meaning it had appeared in this year's paper. Okay, 2020. Okay, now the question is, discuss the continuity at x is equal to 0. Okay, we have to check whether the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 0. So this is the question given to you. This is the function. So discuss the continuity. So we have to find the left hand limit. Now check where x is less than 0. So this one, so this will be the function. 3 sine of x minus sine 3x log of 1 plus 2x. Okay? Upon x raised to 4. Now, previously we had done something with sine 2x, if you have seen. Same way, if you try to do this, if you take one of the x and try to distribute in this form, sine of x upon x minus sine 3x upon x, and then if you balance, what will be answer? 3 into 1 minus 1 into 3. So that will be 0. So simply by distributing, it will not work. Even if you directly put sine of 0 minus 0 again will be 0. So direct substitution is not working. Normal x distribution is also not working. These are some special cases, okay, where that sine 2x and sine 3x, if it is there, like this form, if it is turning 0, then you have to try to convert this sine 3x formula. So what is sine 3x or sine 3 theta is nothing but, this is the formula, sine 3 theta is nothing but 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. I must be knowing this, the trigonometric formula. Okay, so you have to apply this over here. So limit x tending to 0, 3 sine x minus, now minus is there, so put a bracket here because minus will apply to all the terms whatever you are doing. So 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, so log of 1 plus 2x upon x raised to 4. So when you open up the bracket, this will be minus, and minus into minus will give you plus. Okay, now what will happen? These two terms will cancel. And what you will get is 4 sine cube and this. So limit x tending to 0. Okay. Now you can distribute. So this power is cube. So how many x you will need? Cube. Okay. So x raised to 4 can be splitted as x cube into x. So one extra x which is remaining out of this 4 can be given to this one. Okay, so this will be sine cube x. So out of 4, 3 I gave here because this is cube. If this was 4, all 4 would have gone for here, but this is cube. So, and one more extra x which is remaining right here. So this is also come in the standard form, log of 1 plus something upon x. Okay, next will be, now what is missing here? You have to balance. So 2 is missing here. So you have to balance by 2. So what will be the answer? Cube and cube. So this will be 1. Okay, or 1 cube. It will be same. This will be 1 into balancing part will be 2. So your answer is 8. So your left hand limit is 8. Now you have to check the right hand limit. At x is equal to 0. So this will be 0 plus root of x upon Okay, so we have to find limit of this. This root is up till here and this is a separate term, minus 4. Now the moment you see root sign, you know you have to rationalize. So limit x tending to 0. Only the denominator we have to rationalize, because this is a simple single term. If this was something plus 5 or minus 5, we have to rationalize this also. But now there is no term as such, so you don't have to rationalize this, only this one. Because this is becoming 0. If you put 0 here, what will happen? Root of 16 will become 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So that's why you have to rationalize this term. Multiply. So this will be plus 4. Okay. Now it will be in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So that will be a square minus b square. This will be a square minus b square. And this extra term, the numerator, keep it there only at the side. And prefer keeping it in the bracket. Okay, this is like one term. First you have to solve this answer last, and then whatever answer you get, you have to multiply to this one. So root and square will cancel. So you'll get like this. So first step, 16 and 16 will cancel. Okay, the next step what will happen, I will just skip that step. The moment you do this, it will become like this. Again, root x will also cancel. Okay, and that will be left as 1. Now you can directly do the substitution. Wherever there is x, put x is equal to 0. So this will be 1 in this part is 1 into 16 plus root of 0 plus 4. So root of 16 will be 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So your right hand limit is also equal to 8. But if you see in the question, what is f of 0 given to you as minus 8. If this was plus 8, then all the answers would have been same. But now minus 8 is not same as plus 8. You have to write this statement last. Your left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, because 8 and 8 you got, but it is not equal to f of 0. This you had got as 8, no? 8, but this is minus 8. This and this are equal but not equal. For what is the this condition? For continuity, all three should be equal. But now even one is not equal, therefore it is discontinuous. So they had only asked you to discuss the continuity. It is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the answer.